get the credentials you need in order to add your website hosted by Media Temple to your CodeGuard account. My name is Josh and I'm going to be taking you on this journey today, so let's get started. Now the first thing we want to do today on the CodeGuard end of things is get exactly what we're going to need in order to add our website. So here at the Connect page, we can see that we need our website URL, which of course we know, the SFTP/FTP server hostname or IP address, the username, and the password. And the port number is going to be down here at the bottom, but for our instances, we're going to be using SFTP today, since that is the most recommended solution for connecting your website to CodeGuard. So now that we know everything that we're going to need from CodeGuard, we can get it over here on Media Temple. Now, luckily enough for Media Temple customers on the shared platform is that Grid customers have everything that they need right here on the server access page and on the server settings page. So the first thing we're going to need to do here is to enable SSH access. So over here under server admin, password, and SSH, we're going to click on that. And once we've clicked on that, we're going to go ahead and go down to SSH options. Now I already have it enabled, but for you it's going to be disabled. You just click the button that says enable and press save. It's going to reload the page and then you just go back to the previous page in order to continue. So now that we have our server settings configured in order to allow us to use SSH, we're going to grab the rest of what we need right here. So three things that you'll need is your server hostname, your username, and your password. So the SFTP hostname/IP address that we're going to be using is this right here. This is the server that our website is hosted on, and that's what we're going to be using to connect. The next thing is our username, which is this right here. For all Media Temple Grid customers, you're going to be using your domain name as the SFTP username. Lastly, the password that you're going to be needing is the password to your Media Temple account. So that should be easy enough for you to get, and you just copy that and paste it over into CodeGuard. So let's go ahead and fill everything out, and then I'll be right back with you. So back here at the Add Your Website page for CodeGuard, I have everything filled in already. You can see I have my website URL here, the cgtesting.net. I have my hostname IP address here. I have my SFTP username here, and I have my SFTP password. For this instance, we're going to be using SFTP, and now we can test the website connection. So now that we're here at the next step, which is capturing the code, I can select the root directory that I want, which is going to be the home. After I've selected that, it's time to go ahead and select the website content. For this instance, I'm going to back up everything, but your layout under your server may look a little different from mine. Now it's time for us to begin the first backup. And look at that, you successfully added your website. So now you know how easy it can be to go ahead and add your website hosted by Media Temple to CodeGuard. If you have any more questions, please contact us at 1-866-604-6431, or of course, you can go ahead and email us at support@codeguard.com. Thank you so much for watching, and sayonara.